Turmeric is a popular spice, often celebrated for its vibrant color and unique flavor. Originating from South Asia, it has been a staple in traditional medicine and culinary practices for centuries. It's known for its bright yellow color, which comes from the compound curcumin. This compound is not just a pigment, it's believed to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Many people believe it has health benefits, ranging from improved digestion to enhanced brain function. It's often touted as a superfood. Some even add turmeric to water and drink it, hoping to harness its benefits in a simple daily ritual. But here's the truth, simply adding turmeric to water isn't effective. The beneficial compounds in turmeric, like curcumin, are not easily absorbed by the body when consumed alone. Your body can't absorb the beneficial compounds that easily. Curcumin is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream, which means you might not be getting the full benefits. To unlock turmeric's true potential, we need to understand its secrets. Scientific research has shown that combining turmeric with black pepper can significantly enhance curcumin absorption. We need to use it the right way. Cooking with turmeric, especially in dishes that include fats, can also help increase its bioavailability. This essay will guide you on how to get the most out of this incredible spice. We'll delve into the science behind turmeric and provide practical tips for its use. We'll explore its benefits, address potential risks, and provide practical tips for incorporating it into your daily routine. From golden milk to turmeric-infused dishes, the possibilities are endless. Get ready to experience the true power of turmeric. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a health enthusiast, there's something for everyone to discover. The real star of turmeric is curcumin. It's a powerful compound with numerous health benefits. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your body from damage. They fight against harmful molecules called free radicals. Curcumin also fights inflammation. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases. These include heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. But curcumin's benefits don't stop there. It also supports liver function. It boosts your immune system. It even helps reduce stress and relieve arthritis pain. With so many potential benefits, it's no wonder curcumin is considered a superfood. However, there's a catch. Here's the challenge with curcumin. It has poor bioavailability. Bioavailability refers to how well your body can absorb and use a substance. Curcumin is unstable in its natural form. It doesn't dissolve well in water. This means your body struggles to absorb it when you consume turmeric alone. Imagine curcumin as a precious treasure locked inside a sturdy vault. To access its benefits, you need the right key to unlock its potential. Don't worry though, there are simple yet effective ways to boost curcumin's absorption. We'll explore these strategies in the next section. Before we delve into absorption-boosting techniques, let's address an important point: turmeric dosage. While turmeric offers incredible benefits, consuming too much can lead to unwanted side effects. High doses of turmeric can cause digestive discomfort. This includes gas, bloating, and diarrhea. Turmeric is also high in oxalates. Oxalates can contribute to kidney stones in some individuals, therefore moderation is key. It's best to start with small amounts of turmeric and gradually increase your intake. Always listen to your body and consult your doctor if you experience any adverse effects. Section 5. Unlocking absorption: simple tricks for maximum benefit. Now let's unlock the vault and enhance curcumin's absorption. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. However, its benefits are often limited by its poor absorption in the body. Here are 3 effective strategies. First, embrace healthy fats. Healthy fats are not just good for your overall health, but they also play a crucial role in enhancing the absorption of curcumin. Curcumin is fat-soluble, which means it dissolves and absorbs better when consumed with fats. This is why combining turmeric with fats can significantly boost its bioavailability. So try incorporating healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or avocados when using turmeric. You can add turmeric to your smoothies, salads, or even your morning coffee with a dash of coconut oil. Second, add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper is more than just a seasoning, it's a powerful enhancer for curcumin absorption. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that significantly enhances curcumin absorption. Piperine can increase the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2000%. Just a pinch of black pepper with your turmeric can make a world of difference. Third, heat things up. Heat is another factor that can enhance the absorption of curcumin. Cooking with turmeric in oil or butter. not only enhances its flavor, but also increases curcumin's bioavailability. The heat helps to activate curcumin and break down certain compounds that can inhibit its absorption. Heat helps activate curcumin and reduce certain compounds that hinder absorption. You can add turmeric to your soups, stews, or even your scrambled eggs to get the most out of it. By incorporating these simple steps, you can maximize the amount of curcumin your body can utilize. Whether you're adding it to your meals, drinks, or snacks, these tricks will help you unlock the full potential of turmeric. Section 6. Whole turmeric versus supplements, making the right choice. With the rising popularity of turmeric, you might wonder about supplements. While concentrated curcumin supplements are available, it's generally recommended to stick with whole turmeric. Whole turmeric contains a complex matrix of compounds. These compounds work synergistically to provide optimal benefits. Supplements, on the other hand, often isolate curcumin. This may not be as effective as consuming the whole spice. Additionally, supplements are not always regulated. Their quality and dosage can vary significantly. Therefore, incorporating turmeric into your diet is the safest and most natural way to enjoy its benefits. Section 7. Turmeric in your kitchen, easy ways to spice up your health. Adding turmeric to your diet is easier than you think. This golden spice, known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor, is not only a culinary delight but also a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to reducing inflammation, turmeric can be a game changer in your kitchen. Here are some practical and delicious ways to incorporate this golden spice into your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, these tips will help you make the most of turmeric's potential. Spice up your cooking. Turmeric is a staple in many cuisines. Its warm, peppery flavor can elevate a variety of dishes. Add a teaspoon or two to curries, soups, stews, stir-fries, and marinades. Not only does it add a beautiful color, but it also infuses your meals with a subtle aromatic flavor that can transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary ones. 2. Golden milk delight. Indulge in a warm cup of golden milk before bed. This soothing beverage is perfect for winding down after a long day. Simply heat milk with turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and your choice of sweetener. You can also add a dash of cinnamon or ginger for an extra kick. This comforting drink not only tastes great, but also helps promote relaxation and better sleep. 3. Pickled powerhouse. Pickled turmeric is a potent way to enjoy its benefits. The tangy, slightly spicy flavor makes it a unique addition to your meals. The pickling process enhances curcumin's bioavailability, making it easier for your body to absorb the beneficial compounds. You can make your own pickled turmeric at home or find it in specialty stores. You can enjoy pickled turmeric as a condiment or a flavorful addition to your meals. Try it with salads, sandwiches, or even as a side dish to your main course. These are just a few examples. The versatility of turmeric means you can experiment and find new ways to incorporate it into your diet. Get creative and explore different ways to enjoy the taste and benefits of turmeric. From smoothies to baked goods, the possibilities are endless. Embrace this golden spice and let it add a touch of health and flavor to your everyday meals. Section 8. A simple recipe for potent turmeric pickled perfection. Here's a simple recipe for pickled turmeric ingredients. 1 cup turmeric root, thinly sliced, ½ cup apple cider vinegar, ¼ cup water, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon sea salt. Instructions. 1. Combine all ingredients in a saucepan and bring to a boil. 2. Reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes. 3. Let cool completely and transfer to a sterilized jar. 4. Store in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Enjoy a tablespoon of this potent pickle daily to experience the full benefits of turmeric. By understanding the science behind turmeric and incorporating it wisely into your lifestyle, you can harness its incredible potential to enhance your health and well-being. Remember, the key is to use it the right way.